Want to quickly edit your fashion or product images without starting from scratch? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Upload and Edit tool in Caimera. First, log into Caimera and click on Upload and Edit from the dashboard. This tool lets you modify existing images instead of generating new ones. Now, upload the image you want to work on. This could be a model photo, garment shot, or product image. Make sure the image is clear and well lit for the best results. Once uploaded, choose what you want to change. You can replace outfits by using Apply Product feature, adjust backgrounds and foreground elements, add new elements, or refine poses, lighting, and other aspects without affecting the original face or product details if you don't want to. These edits can be easily defined by a simple and clear prompt. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Click Edit and let Caimera process the edit. If it's not perfect, tweak your prompt and regenerate. And that's it. With Upload and Edit, you can transform existing images in minutes. Try different prompts, experiment with styles, and create professional visuals effortlessly with Caimera.